In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your hosting a domain in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to pass on your domain name to a new owner, you've come to the right place. We're going to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you get it right the first time. To start, you'll need to navigate to Hostinger's website. Head over to the main page, which proudly invites you to bring your ideas online. This is your starting point. Look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see the login button. Click on it to enter your account information and access all your domain management tools. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Hostinger homepage, often referred to as the H panel. This central hub is where all the magic happens. On this page, you'll see a variety of options, but what you'll want to focus on is the domains section. Click on domains, and it will take you to a new window displaying all the domains registered under your account. Now that you're in the domains section, the next step is to click on manage. This option allows you to customize settings for the domain that you're planning to sell. It provides access to everything you need to prepare your domain for its new owner. One crucial thing you need to do before selling your domain is disable the domain lock. This feature is designed to protect your domain from unauthorized changes or transfers, so you'll need to turn it off to proceed with the sale. Locate the domain lock option and make sure it's disabled. This step is essential for authorizing the transfer of the domain to the buyer. Now you're ready to get the authorization code. This code is vital because it acts like a password, allowing the domain to be transferred to another registrar. In your domain's management settings, there should be an option titled Authorization Code. Click on it to obtain your unique code. You'll need to share this with the new owner, as it's necessary for completing the transfer process. By following these steps, you're well on your way to selling your domain on Hostinger. Just make sure you have clear communication with the buyer and ensure they understand how to use the authorization code to complete the transfer on their end. Remember, selling a domain is not just about the technical steps, it's also about a seamless transition of ownership. Thank you for tuning in to today's guide on how to sell your hosting a domain quickly and efficiently. We hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance along the way, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Good luck with your sale.